Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to gradient here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Let me tell you that Canva does not have a dedicated gradient tool, but you can still create gradients using the following methods. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the Start a Design option on the upper left corner if you haven't already, or choose a template provided by Canva, business, social media, and a lot more. Now, if you have an element that you want to work with, click on that. In my case, I'm going to be choosing for example, a small image here. I'm going to add another image here on the photos. Say I'm going to be using this guy right here. And add another element at the bottom where you can have another one of this. And I'm going to make it at the very back. It's kind of like a background. Now, for you to be able to create a gradient, all you're gonna do is go to the elements right here. Click on type in gradient. You would notice they have all these. Do not go to graphics. Do not go to all. Click on graphics or photos. Right. You have the transparent gradient, gradient shape, and a lot more. Gradient rectangle. You see, for example, I'm gonna add this one right here. Of course, you can create like a semi-fading effect. You can adjust the transparency right here. You can add like a small elements right here. The top right here to add like a kind of like a shadowy effect. All right, so these are some of your options in creating an background, because you need to select the shapes and lower their transparency using the transparency slider right here on top of the toolbar by overlapping them, so you can create a soft gradient effect, right? Of course, this technique allows you to create eye-catching gradients even without a specific gradient tool here in Canva. All right. On top of gradients, you can enhance the contrast and make them pop. All right. You can blend them into background or any other design elements. Once you're happy with that, let me check that in a big screen. Okay, it looks good. If you're ready, click on share and download the file like an MP4 or JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.